Welcome to Paralegal 101 Law Office Management. This is a short video to introduce you to how this course will be operated this semester. When you first log on to Canvas and click onto your Paralegal 101 Law Office Management class, this should be the home page that you see when you log on. First, go to Course Information and be sure to go through each item that I have put in the module because they all are important to you being successful. I just wanted to point out to you, if you have any questions at any time, just go over and click on Discussions. Under Discussions, you will see a general course question. You click on that. Click on Reply. And now you can ask your question and then you post the reply. If it's a personal question that you do not want the rest of the class to know because it has a privacy issue, then and only then you may use the inbox and send an email to Professor Manzano. Now what I want you to do is to go through the modules and look at everything that you need to do. The first item that you should do is to look at the textbook assignment, because the textbook is not located in the college bookstore. You have to find it yourself and get it by the first Saturday of the class. So click on the textbook assignment. What we've done here is we're having you act as if you are the law office manager. You have been tasked with finding this resource, this textbook, and having it on hand by June 24th. So what you need to do is to go online and find the textbook. I've given you a picture of the textbook. I've given you the name of the textbook and the author. 4th or 5th edition, it doesn't matter. There were such minor changes between the two that find the cheaper one and get it here. This book can cost you up to $180. I have students that have actually purchased the book for less than the shipping costs. Total cost was around $11 for the book. What we're doing here is teaching you how to go out and find resources on the internet and not always just pay top price because it's convenient. Now this is a discussion, so what you will need to do is follow the directions through the discussion. Now, this is a law office management class. Each one of our discussions, in addition to answering whatever questions you need to answer, there is a section where you are the office manager. So you will need to go in and, to a minimum of 3 students, tell them the same way that you would if you were the manager and giving them an evaluation, what they can do to improve to become a better member of the team. In addition to that, you need to tell 2 students what they are doing correct, what they are doing right. And this would be the type of message, communication that you would give to the whole department, telling them, here is an example of how we do things right. So this is testing your ability to interact with other students in a professional communication manner. It's evaluating your ability to actually review what other people do and give positive input. So the first item that you should do after you have looked through the entire course and seen what we need to do is to do the textbook assignment.